Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. If this is your first time tuning in with me, welcome. And if you are a returning viewer, welcome back. I don't know, this is this new challenge going around. I don't know if you guys have seen where they just do this little I don't know, boxing thing. And so I just thought I'd incorporate that today, and I think it was a fail. Nonetheless, I'm loving this look. I don't think it's a fail. I've done just an affordable like Christmas glam type look thing that you can do this festive season. And if you want to see how I achieved this look, keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to start out this Christmas look or holiday look with some serum for my skin. If you're a regular on my channel, then you know that I believe that taking care of your skin is the most important thing, especially if you want your makeup to look good. You need to make sure that your skin is healthy, because contrary to what a lot of people think, makeup is not to cover up imperfections. It does cover up imperfections of the skin, but at the end of the day, you want your skin to be healthy as well, because makeup looks so much better on healthy skin as well. So be sure to take care of your skin, guys. Okay, so next I'm going to be going in with my primer. I'm using the Catrice Good by Pores. So it primes and fines, and it really does blur those lines. So I am a big fan of this drugstore product. Works really well. So I'll be going in with the Wet n Wild foundation. This is the dewy one. It is my first time trying the dewy one, guys. I've been using the matte one for a long time, but I'm excited to try the dewy one. I finally got my hands on it. I'm using the shade Desert Beige in the medium dark, and I'm gonna blend this in with a damp beauty blender. I've already wet my beauty blender. Just grab some more here. It smells nice actually. Okay. If you are familiar with the Wet n Wild sponge, I just absolutely love the sponge. It's so soft and squishy. So I'm quite impressed. It doesn't look bad. It is dewy. I like it. I've got some on my hair. Do you guys have that same problem? Even though I put my hair back, I always get some on the hairline here. It just drives me crazy. So please don't mind the screaming. My daughter and husband's in the pool, so they just having a blast, and she's always screaming. Right, so I'm gonna go in with my Essence Camouflage Concealer. I'll check the shade now. So I haven't filmed in a while, guys, and I've been so busy, and to be honest, a bit demotivated. Like, people don't realize this is something I started doing because I enjoy, but you do sometimes get tired because you put pressure on yourself. You want to put out a certain amount of content every week or every month, and to keep up, you know, because I have 2 kids now, and it's like super crazy in my house. And so to try and keep up with the demands I had put on myself, it's just a bit crazy. And that's why hubby was like, you know what, just take a break. And I did. And I enjoyed the break. But I miss filming, and I was like, no, let me film, because I was still wearing makeup and stuff. I mean, I wear makeup a lot. Not all the time, but a lot of the time. And I was like, I didn't film quite a few awesome looks that I had created actually. And I was like, let me film something, especially a nice festive look type thing that I think would be easy for anyone to create if you want to look good this Christmas, looking for ideas. And this is why I'm doing that. I'm going to go in with the Cartier London. Where's the name even? It doesn't matter, but this is the Extraordinary Translucent Powder. And I'm going to take this nice fluffy brush and just set under the eyes. So I'm setting everywhere where I know I get greasy, and that's important for me because these are places that I have combination skin, right? And if I don't set, the makeup will slip basically. And we don't want that. We want to set it in place. And that is why I'm applying to my T panel and even under my eyes. It's not an oily spot under my eyes, however it helps reduce fine lines, believe it or not. Guys, I'm really excited. I just got myself actually 2 palettes. I got myself this Hello Berlin by Essence, and then I got myself the Magical Mystical Me also by Essence, and I've decided on this one for the Christmas look. I'm gonna be going in with this baby, and just look at this, guys. Isn't this so beautiful? I know it's not a new palette, but I've been wanting to grab one of these for a while, and it just looks so gorgeous. I love the nudes and things. Y'all know me by now. If you're a regular on my channel, I love my nudes and smoky eyes and those type of things. So I'm just gonna go and jump right into these beautiful nude colors. I'm gonna start with this very light color over here. Only thing is, I don't know its name. They don't say. It would be nice to know. Essence, why don't you name them? So I'm just applying this all over the lid, right? Setting it basically. Alright, then I'm gonna go in with this gorgeous color over here, brown color. I don't know what it's called, guys. It's a bit deep. I'm gonna focus more on the outer parts with this color, right? I'll just go in here again. So I just put a little bit in the crease as a transition, and then I'll focus on the outer corners. Okay, so I've wet my brush, and I'm gonna go in with this beautiful gold color over here. I see here are names, guys. I think it's Melting Pot. I'm not sure. I don't even know. No, I'm just assuming. I honestly don't know. So I'm taking this beautiful gold color. Okay, so I'm gonna go in and do my brows. First, you're gonna brush them upward like this. So I'm gonna jump in with my butter bronzer by Physicians Formula. I'm just gonna bronze up my face a bit. For highlighter, guys, I'm going in with my NYX Born to Glow. Please don't judge, my one broke. I'm not even sure how. I suspect my daughter dropped it because she's always in my makeup stuff, scratching, and like when I find it, then she like quickly drops whatever she's busy with type thing. And I suspect she dropped this baby. Thank God it's not totally broken. It's only the one shade that broke apart, so it's okay. Let me just... So I'm gonna go in with blush. This is the LA Girl LA Girl Blushing. This is in the shade Just Peachy. I really am enjoying this color on me. I've had it for a while and I used to use it, then I stopped. I used different colors, like more pinkish, but I am feeling this peachy vibe again. So if you don't have this one, you can maybe just grab a more peachy shade of blush that goes obviously with your brown eyes, with a brown shade or eyeshadow on your eyes. You don't need to have brown eyes for this look. Let me just correct that. Then I'm going to go in with my highlighting palette or Born to Glow by NYX. Please don't judge, guys. It's broken. I suspect my baby girl dropped it because she's always in my makeup, and when she's done doing whatever she needs to do, then she just politely puts it back. And sometimes, a lot of the time, then stuff is broken or lids are gone, like my setting spray. I don't even think one of my setting sprays have lids anymore because she finds a way to open it, and she chucks it back without putting the lid back on. Where is this brush? I like to use this angled brush to... I'm using this. Okay, so I use this pink shade on my cheeks, right? I don't know if you can see. I'm scared the stuff's gonna fall out, and then this one on top I'm gonna do just for here. And then my inner corners as well. Oops. So to continue this awesome look, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Glass Setting Spray. And I've learned a new trick, guys. I am going to press the setting spray into my skin, just patting motions over all the makeup. So instead of letting it dry, I'm patting it in. Okay, so I'm gonna jump in. I'm gonna go in with my Essence Princess, Lash Princess, the False Lash Effect one. So I'm going to be lining my lips with the Smudge Gel Lip Liner. And I'm going in with my NYX lipstick. This is in the color Hot in here. This beautiful red color. Okay guys, so this is the final look. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think, and if this is a look that you would wear this Christmas. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you've not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button. It's free, guys. Also the bell so that you get notified when I do upload new content. Thank you once again, and I'll catch you in the next video.